rebounds, 3 steals. So, yung game-winning tip mo, directly, is the play of the season so far. So, ano yung masasabi mo na yun na ipanalo mo yung game with less 0.3 seconds ng game? Ano masasabi mo?
Of course, masaya kasi pumasok. Time skill din. Dahil sa kanya, dahil pumasok. And before pa lang, nag-time out, sabi ni Coach Gilbert na focus, stay lang kami kasi baka extra 5 minutes. At sabi ko kay Kalisay, wala nang 5 minutes to, tiwala ka lang papasok.